Let us now move on to the numericals. Calculate revenue deficit. So revenue receipts is given 50,000 crores. Revenue expenditure is 60,000 crores. Now you know the formula to find revenue deficit. So let us work it out. Revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So when it is revenue deficit, you will consider only the revenue expenditure and revenue receipts. You need not bother about capital receipts and capital expenditure. So the revenue expenditure given here is 60,000 minus revenue receipts 50,000. So the answer is 10,000. As the expenditure is more, that is 60,000, and the receipts is less 50,000, that is why we say there is a deficit of 10,000. So the revenue deficit is 10,000 crores. So the answer is revenue deficit is equal to 10,000 crores. Let us now do the second numerical. Calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. So the items given here are tax revenue 40 lakhs, capital receipts 27 lakhs, non-tax revenue 10 lakhs, then borrowings 20, revenue expenditure 63 lakhs, interest payments 13 lakhs. So you know very well tax revenue and non-tax revenue together we say it as revenue receipts because it comprises of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. These both together we call it as revenue receipts. So let us first calculate revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So revenue expenditure is given directly as 63 lakhs, but revenue receipts is not given. So instead you have to total 40 plus 10. These both you have to add. Only then you will get what is called as revenue receipts. So let us work it out. Revenue expenditure is 63 lakhs minus tax revenue plus non-tax revenue. So 63 lakhs minus tax revenue is 40. Plus 10. So this comes to 63 minus 50. So is equal to 13 lakhs. The next one that we have to find out is fiscal deficit. I've already told you if borrowing is given in your question, that is equal to fiscal deficit. So borrowings is nothing but the fiscal deficit. So you can just like that copy that down. Fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings is equal to 20 lakhs. If at all borrowings is not given, then you have to work out using the formula. Now the third one is primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. So the fiscal deficit is 20 lakhs minus interest payment is 13. So it comes to 7 lakhs. Let us move on to the next sum. From the following data about the government budget, find revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. So, like the previous question, all the three you need to find out. And here the items given are capital receipts net of borrowing, and then revenue expenditure, capital expenditure, interest payment, and revenue receipts. So, revenue expenditure and capital expenditure is given. Both together, we will get the total expenditure. So, we have to work out, we'll find out the revenue deficit first. Is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. Revenue expenditure is 120 lakhs minus revenue receipts 100 lakhs. So it comes to 20 lakhs. Now let us work out the next one, fiscal deficit. Here the borrowing is not given, but they have given net of borrowing only. So we cannot write that borrowing as fiscal deficit. So we have to calculate fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is total budgeted expenditure minus revenue receipts minus capital receipts net of borrowing. So total budgeted expenditure is both revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. We call it as total budgeted expenditure. So it comes to 120 plus 130 minus revenue receipts is 100 minus capital receipts net of borrowing is 150. So it is 130 plus 120, it is 250 minus 250. So this is 35 lakhs. So the fiscal deficit is 35 lakhs. The last one is primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Fiscal deficit comes to 35 lakhs minus interest payment is 30. So you have to just subtract 35 minus 30, you get 5 lakhs. So is it clear? So with this formula, if you work out, it is easy for you to derive all the three types of deficits. Let us move on to the next numerical. Calculate fiscal deficit from the following data. You have to calculate fiscal deficit. And the items given here are borrowings and interest. So when you see this borrowings, you will understand very well fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings. Hence, fiscal deficit is equal to rupees 9,000. The formula is fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings is equal to rupees 9,000 crores. Calculate primary deficit from the following data. The items given are fiscal deficit 9,000, interest payment by the government rupees 400 crores. So let us calculate the primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Fiscal deficit is rupees 9,000 crores. Interest payment is rupees 400 crores. So it comes to 8,600 crores. Let us move on to the next one. A government budget shows a primary deficit of rupees 4,400 crores. Expenditure on interest payment is rupees 400 crore. How much is fiscal deficit? We very well know the formula for primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Now the question asked is fiscal deficit. Therefore, fiscal deficit is equal to primary deficit less interest payment. Let us substitute. Primary deficit is rupees 4,400 crores plus interest payment is 400 crores. Therefore, the answer is 4,800 crores. Calculate budgetary deficit from the following. So here they've asked us budgetary deficit, not revenue or capital deficit or not fiscal deficit. Budgetary deficit is asked here. Revenue expenditure is rupees 60,000. Capital expenditure is 30,000. Revenue receipts 50,000 and capital receipts 25,000. 25,000 crores. Everything rupees and crores. Now let us calculate budgetary deficit. Budgetary deficit is equal to total budgetary expenditure. It means both revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Total budgetary expenditure minus total budgetary receipts. Total budgetary expenditure is revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure, and total budgetary receipts is revenue receipts plus capital receipts. Let us now substitute. Revenue expenditure is 60,000 crores. Capital expenditure is 30,000 crores minus revenue receipts is 50,000 crores plus capital receipts is 25,000 crores. Now let us add this. 60 plus 30 comes to 90 crores minus 50 plus 25, 75,000 crores. So the answer is 15,000 crores. Find fiscal deficit and primary deficit from the following. So let us now work out the fiscal deficit. The formula for fiscal deficit is either borrowings, if it is given, you can just lift it. So let us first read the items given here. Revenue expenditure is 70,000 crores, revenue receipts is 50,000 crores, borrowings 15,000, interest payments 25% of revenue deficit. As they have given borrowings 15,000, we can just write fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings, and that comes to rupees 15,000 crores. And now the next question asked here is primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Now in your question, the interest payment is not given directly. The question given here is 25% of revenue deficit. So let us first substitute this fiscal deficit with 15,000 crores minus interest payment is 25% of revenue deficit. So how do we get this revenue deficit? You get it when you subtract these both. 70,000 crores minus 50,000 crores. Revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So it comes to 20,000. 70,000 crores minus 50,000 crores, you get 20,000 crores. So let us now calculate the interest payment, 25% of the revenue deficit. So the revenue deficit that we have calculated is 20,000. Now let us calculate interest payment. 15,000 minus 25 into 200, 5,000. So 15,000 minus 5,000 is 10,000 crores. Therefore, the answer is 10,000 crores. Primary deficit is 10,000 crores. Fiscal deficit is 15,000 crores.